Alright, here we are asked to convert 1264 in base 8 to base 10. Alright, so this number is in base 8, so we have to convert it to a number in base 10. Alright, so what we have to do is to multiply each of these by 8, that is the base. Okay, so let's go on to do it. Here we have 1 times 8 raised to power 3. That is 1, 2, 3 plus 2 times 8 raised to power 2. This is 2. Then you count 1, 2 plus 6 times 8 raised to power 1 plus 4 times 8 raised to power. Since there is nothing here, so it's going to be raised to power 0. Alright, now let's solve. Here is going to be 1 times 3. 8 into 3 is going to give us 512 plus 2 times 64 plus 6 times 8 plus 4 times 1. This is going to be 1 because any number raised to power 0 is equals to 1. Alright, if we have 100 raised to power 0, it is equals to 1. 1000 raised to power 0 is equals to 1. So any number raised to power 0 is 1. Alright, so let's go on. 1 times this is going to give us 512 plus 2 times 64 is going to give us 128 plus 6 times 8 48 plus 4. So let's add all these numbers together. So adding them together, we are going to have 512 plus 128 plus 48 plus 4 equals to, it's going to give us 692 in base 10. Right, it's going to give us 692 in base 10. So this is how to convert any number in any base, maybe in base 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to base 10. Right, so this is how to do it. Assuming we have that this number is in base 9 and we have to convert it to base 10. This place that we have in 8, it will be 9. Alright, then we'll solve it the same way and get our final answer.